Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Doodle Dollars. This is Courtney, and it is Saturday. Happy Saturday. Happy weekend, everyone. Today I'm going to be doing my cash stuffing, and I have a few little updates for you guys. So grab a coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy this cash stuffing. Okay, so first of all, I got this little tracker of YouTube subbies and watch hours from CBA Mom Saves. So thank you so much for creating this. It's so fun to have a visual idea of where you're at. And I'm a very visual person as it is, so this is so nice. Um, so it's crazy, guys. The last time that I sat down and filmed on a Saturday, I was at 199 subscribers, and that would be right about, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, yeah. So almost to here, like right here. And then since then, oh my goodness, you guys, wow. Um, and I know I said this in my video yesterday, but I'm just so amazed and so grateful. I've hesitated to share this, but I came out of a very mentally abusive relationship um, a few years ago. And as I've said before, I had a YouTube channel, but it wasn't something that was supported or encouraged. And like a lot of things in my life, I just kind of gave up on trying. Sorry. Okay, so anyways, if you've been there, you know how it is. And so the amount of support and encouragement that I've received from y'all is just, it means so much to me. So thank you. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. Okay. Ooh, we're gonna get it together. Okay, we're filling this out. So currently I have 440. And I'm already planning a giveaway, guys, for when I get to 500. So I have a cute little personalized budgeting scratch off that I'll be sending out to, I kind of want to do 10 people. So I have that in the works. I'm trying to figure out how to do it, and I've already made the main item, and I want to send y'all a few more things. So, whoever wins the giveaway. So, but I want to give it out to a good number of y'all. So I'm hoping I can do 10. And so once we hit 500, guys, I will be posting an announcement. So if you have not subscribed already, please subscribe so that you can be aware of that giveaway. I really want to give back to y'all, and thank you so much. And if you have not seen my freebies that I've posted in my Ko-fi recently for the 200 mark, the 300 mark, and the 400 mark, plus a few extra that I just did just for fun because I love creating things for y'all. So go check those out, grab those, and stay tuned for the giveaway announcement, hopefully soon-ish. So I might do it before I hit 500 because I'm just excited about it, but we'll see. Okay, let me get myself together here. If you hear some knocking in the background, that's my cat, Buddy. He's playing with something. Okay, so I wanted to update you guys, keep myself accountable, even though it's painful and embarrassing. But here's my no spend so far. So I think I already told y'all that I bought a new phone. So that was technically no spend. I did put that on my my credit card though, because I did not have money in the bank. So that was kind of a loss, but it was a necessary thing. And then Wednesday, I can't even remember, but I know that I spent something. I think it was on food. I think I was having a rough morning and I door dashed like coffee because I forgot to grab I usually bring my Keurig pods into work with me and I just make coffee there, but I forgot those. So I was like, oh my goodness, I need my morning coffee, guys. I cannot function without it. I'm probably addicted, but and then Thursday I had to buy some stuff for my to just resupply my Etsy shop. I've had several orders come in these past few days, and it's been very exciting. I think I know someone from here used the little code that I posted to get the January Nom Nom Nation 50% off. So hold on one second. Let me grab that. Sorry, not January, February. So I know someone used my code that I posted for y'all to grab this. So thank you so much. And if y'all want to grab your copy, there's a post in the community tab where you can just click on the link and it automatically applies 50% off. And I will mail this out to you. And so I was very excited about that. And I had a couple other orders come in. So anyways, all that to say, I had to buy a few more things for my shop to kind of replenish, like cardstock and, laminating pouches and stuff like that. So, but overall, I'm happy with my progress and I'm tracking. I'm going to try to do, oh, these stickers are not sticking. I'm going to try to do at the end of the month here a video where I compare what I spent last month to what I spent this month. And it's already crazy, guys. I'm working through my spreadsheet or my my bank statement from last January, and I cannot believe myself, my past self, and like the things that I was spending money on. It's insane. So I feel like looking at that and comparing where I am now, I am doing amazing, but I'm still trying to do no spend every day. But life happens and we're imperfect, and especially me, I am so prone to just overspending as it is. So I am slowly but surely learning and getting better. So there's that. Okay, so with extra savings on Monday, I had my tutoring gigs. So I tutor 2 different times on Monday, and I already pulled that money and I have it ready to be stuffed. I door dashed yesterday, so I have not pulled that money yet or stuffed it, but I'll probably pull it on Monday and stuff it in my debt binder. So that's kind of the plan with that. I'm also planning on door dashing on Monday because it's MLK Day, yay! So no work. So I'm gonna try to maximize that time and see if I can get some extra income this month. The other day though, last night when I was door dashing, I literally almost died. I was driving and a car all of a sudden just came into my lane, no blinker, no warning, and I swerved. My car rocked back and forth, and it's amazing that I didn't hit anybody else in the other lanes or tip my car over. Oh my goodness. But after that, I had to finish the deliveries that I was running. But after that, I was like, I'm done. I can't do it. Like I'm too shaky. Like I need to go home. So anyways, so that's that. Here's my cash plan for this week, guys. It's a hot mess as always. I'm always trying to figure out like, okay, like, ooh, what's the priorities here? And it's been a tight month financially for me just because of the way my pay works. As a teacher, you get paid once a month, at least I do. And so, yeah, it's just kind of been tricky, but oops, we are getting to the end of the month and I will be getting my paycheck soon. And so I am doing okay, but we are definitely needing to just do like high priority stuff here. And, do what we can with everything else. So, all right. So I have, let me count what I have here. So sorry. 51, 150. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let me get my calculator because, guys, I'm so bad. 10, 20, 30, 40. I can do math, but it takes me a minute. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So yeah, 300. Perfect. Yeah, I can do math, but it takes me a minute for my brain to like process it. I've always been terrible with numbers. So, okay, in groceries, we had $20 left over this week. Dining out had nothing, gas had nothing, and Aria has 5. So I'm going to put this in her little cow save more moolah book because I love doing those challenges with, I was going to say playing with money, which I guess it is, but doing those challenges with her is so fun, and she loves doing them, and I just love spending that time with her and teaching her, about money and finances, because I feel like that's something my parents didn't really do. And money and finances was always like a very hot, like not in a good way, topic in our household. And whenever mom and dad sat down to do the budget, it was like, make yourself scarce. So, and they were great parents, like, but you just knew that was going to be like a tense time. So we, didn't want to be around for that. But yeah, they never really, and I'm not saying this to like give y'all a negative impression of them, but it just wasn't something that they kind of taught me, was how to manage finances and all of that. So anyways, I want to make sure that I do that with Aria so that she grows up having a healthy view of what money is and what money can afford, and talking to her about how if we want to buy that toy, well, it's going to cost us this many dollars. And if she has no idea what this many dollars looks like, then it's going to be hard for her to understand. So anyways, here we go. I'm sorry this has been so chatty and rambly already. Okay, so groceries. Oh, I don't even know what I'm doing. This is not what I need. I'm just distracted talking to y'all, saying all the things. Okay, so groceries is getting $50 this week. I think that has been working out well. Oh, I was just going to stick a 50 in there, I guess, is what I had planned. Okay. Gas is getting, dining out is getting 35. I've been doing great with that. I feel like it's been going well. So that's $5 less than I was doing at the beginning of the year. And gas is getting 25. I use my Kroger points for gas, so that usually ends up being enough for me to fill up the tank almost all the way. It's like there's like a little sliver left that's not filled up, but it gets me through the week. And whenever I go, the gas attendant asks, like, do you want to use your points? And I'm like, yes. And he's like, all of them? Yes, absolutely, all of them. Okay, so Aria's getting 10 this week, and that's it for my wallet. And then we have our high priority envelopes. So Mint Mobile cell phone bill, I'm adding 15. I'm gonna be paying for the 6-month plan, so it'll be slightly cheaper. So we have 50, 70, 80, 91, 110, 115. And I think we are very, very close to what we need stuffed for this. So that's awesome. All right, car insurance, no, debt is next, is getting 100. So 250s here. So 51, 152, 20, 40, 65, 265. That's awesome. My plan was to stuff 125 each week, but because it's been a little tighter of a month at the end here, I'm only doing 100. I think I did even less than that last week. But I'm also stuffing extra stuff in my debt binder. So we should have at least 500 hopefully by the end of the month. Okay, hair is next, is getting 15. 15. Oh, there's like some ones in here. Okay. So hair has 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 10, 20, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 134. Car insurance is getting 50. And that is it. I think, yeah, that's all our monies. So 20, 40, 50. So we currently have in car insurance, I put 300 in my savings account. So here's my little placeholders for that. And then we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 90. So 390. And we need about 1,000 by April. Okay. So that's that. Okay, and that is it, guys, for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all have a great Saturday, and that I never know how to end these videos. I'm so sorry. Okay, but anyways, I hope y'all have a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching. It means so much to me. Like, comment, subscribe if you have not yet, to get to that 500 mark and that giveaway, and be notified of when I post that giveaway video telling y'all how to enter. So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.